Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio G-Shock AW500E. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check the review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first there are 4 buttons. On the top left is the analog setting, and then lower left is the mode button. And then on the top right is the adjust button, and on the lower right is the backlight button. To change the mode, you can press the lower left button like this. So this one is the calendar mode as the default mode. And then this one is the time, and then alarm, then stopwatch, dual time, and then back to the calendar mode. And then for the lower right button, backlight is like this. So it will turn on the backlight for the LCD display. Okay. And then you can do sound check by press and hold the mode button in any mode like this. It will give beeping sound. Okay. And yes, next let's get back to calendar mode and set the calendar. Okay, for the calendar we can set by press and hold the adjust button on the top right, this one. Okay, a bit hidden from the front. And then yes, this is the year. You can press the mode button to increase the year. So this is 2026 and then 27 and so on. And it is pre-programmed up to 2099, and if it's already passing the year that you want, you can just press and hold and then back to 2000. Okay, so now let's set back to 2026. Okay, next press the adjust button on the top right, this one. So now we can set the month, use the mode button to increase. So this one is 7 or July and so on. So let me set to 7. Okay, and then press the top right button again, the adjust button to change to the date. So this one also use the mode button to increase the number. So let me set back to 16. Okay, and then press again the adjust button on the top right, and done. We have set the calendar. And now let's move on to the digital time. Press the mode button once. Now this one is the digital time. You can set the digital time by press and hold the top right button, this one. Okay, press and hold until it flashes like this for the second. And then you can reset the second using the mode button on the lower left. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, and then press the top right button. We will move to the hour. You can use the lower left button to change the hour. So let me set as 8 like this. Okay, and then press the top right button to change to the minute. So now 17, let me set to 47. Press the mode button to increase the number like this, 47. Okay, and then press the top right button, and now is the time format. You can choose 24 or 12-hour format using the mode button on the lower left. Okay, so for this one, let me use 24-hour format. Okay, and then press the top right button and done for the digital time. Now let's set the analog hand. To do that, you can press the analog hand setting button on the top left, this one. So it should point out to 848. So let me press, and if you want to speed up, you can press and hold like this. So a single press will move 20 seconds or a third of a minute, and like this the press and hold will speed up the process. So wait, it will take some time. I will fast forward the video. Okay, so this one is 853 and the analog is 850. So let me push this one. So this one is 51, 52, 53, and because 40 seconds already passed, so 1, 2. Okay, so 853, and sorry about that, that's another watch alarm. Okay, so like this, 854 right now. Okay, and yes, now let's continue to the next mode, the alarm. So press the lower left button, alarm. For the alarm, you can set the alarm using the top right button, this one. Okay, and then yeah, press and hold, and now it is showing for the hour. You can change the hour using the mode button on the lower left, so it will increase the number like this. Okay, and let me set to 5. Wait, 4, 5, okay, and then press the top right button to move to the minute. So let me set as, let's say, 10. Okay, and then top right again, and done. Okay, now we have the alarm active at 5:10. Anyway, if you want to turn off the alarm, you can press from this view the top right button and it will be off. So off or on based on your preference. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode, stopwatch. Use the lower left button, stopwatch. You can start stop using the top right button, start, and then pause, continue, pause, continue, pause or stop, and to reset, press and hold about 2 seconds and reset. Okay, and yes, for the stopwatch, it has no split time. Also for the alarm, it has no hourly signal. Now the last mode, the dual time, press the mode button on the lower left, this one. It shows TT on the lower right, meaning this one is the dual time. Now let's set the dual time. I'm going to set this one the same as the main time. So to do that, press and hold the adjust button on the top right, this one. Okay, and now we can set the hour. You can use the mode button to change the hour. So this one, the lower left button. Let me set this one as 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, and then press the top right button to change to the minute, and to increase the number of the minute you can use the lower left button or the mode button. So this one is 1, okay, and then press the top right button and done. For the second, it will follow the main time or the timekeeping mode, and also for the time format, 12 or 24 hour will also follow the main time. Okay, now press the mode button and back to the default mode, the calendar mode. Okay, and yes, that's all for the setting and operation. And sorry, I cannot find any way to do the LCD check on this watch. So if you have any tips for that, please put in the comment below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching and have a great day.